Introducing the Women in Islam interactive wall art, beautifully designed by my Salah mat. This isn't just wall art, it's a new way to learn. For the first time, the lives of 10 inspiring women in Islam have been made interactive, bringing their stories to life through touch and sound. Features include touch-sensitive technology. Simply touch a name to hear her story told in a warm and engaging voice.
Khadija, radiyallahu anha. Khadija was the first wife of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and she had been married before. The Quraysh gave Khadija the names Amirat Quraysh, which means Princess of the Quraysh, and At-Tahira, which means the Pure One, due to her good character.
Interactive quiz mode. Test your knowledge with fun and meaningful questions that deepen understanding.
Quiz question. What are the names of Fatima's sons? If you said Hassan and Hussein, radiyallahu anhum, well done. That's right. The answer is Hassan and Hussein, radiyallahu anhum.
Remote control access. Adjust the volume or skip to your favorite story from anywhere in the room. Soothing nasheeds. Enjoy calming, vocals-only nasheeds that add a spiritual rhythm to your learning.
Powerful woman in Islam that you may not have known.
This isn't just a learning tool, it's a tribute to the women who shaped our faith, from Khadija radiallahu anha to and Aisha radiallahu anha. With every touch, a story is heard, a lesson is learned, and a legacy lives on. Give the gift of knowledge and remembrance a lasting connection to the greatest women in Islam.